Are you working on a sales team these days? Trying to stay on top of your customer relationships can seriously feel like chasing a moving target through heavy fog. We all know that tech startups deal with specific pain points around recurring revenue, rapid scaling, and intense user data. So let us look at the top software options out there right now. Now, we can start our journey by looking into a platform that has been doing some heavy lifting for small and growing teams lately. We see that Zoho CRM has really stepped up its game this year. What we've seen with Zoho is an incredible push toward making high-level AI accessible to the average small business. Their AI assistant, Zia, is actually useful. It can tell us the best time to call a specific customer based on their past behavior, or flag if a deal seems like it's about to go south. Another thing we appreciate is how Zoho handles the money side of things. It has built-in invoicing and payment processing, so we can go from a first conversation to a paid invoice all within the same screen. It's really designed for growth-oriented businesses that need to save time on repetitive tasks so they can focus on the actual work. While it can be a bit pricier than some basic tools, the amount of time we save on manual follow-ups usually pays for itself pretty quickly. Then we have the big name of the industry, Salesforce. For a long time, people thought of Salesforce as only for the biggest companies with the most complex needs, but they have worked hard to make their power accessible to everyone. The heart of the Salesforce experience is their data cloud and the Einstein AI. This combination is designed to give you what they call a 360-degree view of your customer. It's like having a high-altitude view of the entire landscape. You can see every interaction a customer has ever had with your brand, from a marketing email they opened to a support ticket they filed. Einstein has become much more than just a chatbot. It's now a role-aware assistant that anticipates what you need based on your specific job. If you are a manager, it highlights risks in your forecast before they become problems. If you're in sales, it drafts personalized outreach that actually sounds human. While it can take a bit more time to set up and learn than some of the other options, the sheer depth of what you can do is unmatched. For those who need a foundation that can support thousands of users and handle massive amounts of data with absolute security, Salesforce remains the steady mountain in the CRM world. Monday CRM takes a very different path that a lot of teams find really refreshing. Most people know Monday as a project management tool, but they've built a specific CRM version that is incredibly flexible. The best thing about it is that you aren't stuck with a layout that some developer decided for you. You can move things around, change the colors, and add columns for whatever specific information your business needs to track. It's very much a what you see is what you get kind of platform. For a mid-sized business where departments might need to collaborate, this is a great bridge. The marketing team can see what sales is doing, and the project managers can see when a deal is closed so they can start the onboarding process. It's a very transparent way to work. They also have some really clever automation features that are easy to set up, like moving a client to a different board once they sign a contract. It takes the mystery out of the workflow. Because it's so visual, it's also very easy to train new people on it, which is a big deal when your business is expanding. It feels less like a database and more like a shared workspace where everyone knows exactly what their job is for the day. It's a solid choice for teams that value clarity and want to customize their own tools. Next, we look at Freshsales, a reliable solution for businesses prioritizing high-volume sales and artificial intelligence. If things are starting to move quickly for you and you're ready for a little high-tech help, Freshsales is definitely worth a look. We see it as the best partner for teams that live and breathe sales and want to cut out the tedious manual stuff. What really sets it apart is Freddy AI. It's like having an extra team member who scores your leads and tells you which ones are actually worth your time. It takes the guesswork out of your morning to-do list. We also love how it puts everything in one place. You can jump on a call or send a WhatsApp message right from your screen. It keeps the whole conversation history right there, so your team can pick up exactly where they left off without missing a beat. If you're scaling up and need a tool that can keep up, these AI insights are something you were looking for. Taking things in a slightly different direction, Pipedrive is a unique platform because it was actually put together by actual sales pros who knew exactly what a team needs, and that really shows in how it functions day to day. It's an amazing fit for crews that want to focus 100% on keeping their daily outreach numbers up and prefer a highly visual dashboard to track their active accounts. The whole experience centers around a visual pipeline layout, where you get to see your open deals lined up like cards, letting you slide them into the next category with a quick drag and drop. The main goal here is keeping you locked in on your very next move, meaning you won't lose track of a hot lead just because a follow-up email slipped through the cracks. We've seen firsthand that when a workspace is this easy to navigate, your team will actually want to use it, which is honestly most of the battle when rolling out a CRM. We have walked through the best options out there, so now it is time to choose your path. Analyze your business needs and then pick the right CRM for you. Let us know which one you're going to pick in the comments below. Thanks for watching, like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.